Hey, good morning, guys. I'm gonna run through the warm-up number 19 answer. Still got a dog on me. Terrified of the thunder, hates this weather. So I have a giant baby on my lap. Yeah. Running through this, I'm not gonna end up writing anything down, I don't think. I think I'm just gonna kind of end up explaining this one. Yeah, I know. It's scary outside. I'm just going to run through this one, kind of explain it to you. Guys, great job. The students that are out there actually doing work, really good job communicating things along those lines, reaching out to me, asking me questions. I say the same thing on every video, and I'm sure you guys are annoyed and frustrated with it. At least I have a dog on my lap. Maybe that's a little bit more exciting and thrilling. Outside of that, I just ramble on about math and pointless things. All right, let's go ahead. Let's try to knock this out. Oh my gosh, you got to stop moving, big guy. Oh, there you go. See? Yeah. Yeah, special all the way around. All right, looking at warm up number 19. Which statement below is incorrect? Pretty much this is just knowing the different terms, different definitions. They will address this. The first one says the mean is not affected by the existence of an outlier. Well, you have to remember an outlier is a number that's way off. So, for example, if you are taking test scores, because they always use test scores, if you end up always getting like 90, 100, 97, 98, 89, and then you have this one score of like a 10% F, that is definitely an outlier. It's way out there. Well, if you remember, to find the mean, you add all of those numbers up and divide by the number. So an outlier does affect it. It will definitely affect it. If you have an outlier and you're trying to find the mean, it will definitely affect it. With median is not affected by the existence of an outlier. It's not. Median is the middle number. We don't even look at that 10% F. We just look at the middle numbers. Okay, and if it's even, you just end up finding the mean. You add them together, divide by 2, and that will give you the middle number. Standard deviation is affected by the existence of an outlier. Yes, standard deviation. We are dealing with all the numbers. It will mess up our data if we are looking at that. And the last one, the interquartile range is unaffected by the existence of an outlier. Well, if you remember, we ended up looking at interquartiles yesterday, and this one says is unaffected by the existence of an outlier. It could be. It could be affected by an outlier. All right, well, that's going to be it for warm up number 19. Keep up the great work, guys. No assessment this week, so that's a bonus. All you had to end up doing was topic videos 1 through 5. Next week, you will end up having an assessment, and I'm not going to post it early. I will post that bright and early Monday morning so it doesn't throw you guys off. All right, I'll see you guys later.